So here we have the Faithfull 6-piece screwdriver set. This is an essential kit that's needed in every tradesman's tool bag. So the set comes with 2 Posi, 2 Phillips and 2 flared. Each corresponding size is then marked on the grip. You've also got, on the end cap, you've got the visual identifier of the style of blade that you're picking up from the inside of your tool bag. The blades on the screwdrivers are hardened and tempered chrome vanadium, which is great for achieving maximum torque and added durability. They each come with a magnetic tip on all of the 6 sizes, which is great for picking up the screws and great for locking in and easy locating on the individuals. Each one of these Faithfull screwdrivers comes with a double injected soft grip handle. They have a rubberized overmold for maximum comfort to achieve optimum torque, putting this chrome vanadium blade to good use. What's more is this entire set comes with a 5-year guarantee and is an obvious essential to every DIY and tradesman's toolkit.